I am Lieutenant Colonel Aaron, the Officer Commanding of the Joint Technical Headquarters Western Cape, responsible for all military operations in the province.
Good day, sir. How are you today, sir?
Papers are already in process for that, but with the last two editions of the addendum,
What we are doing now, so we will take it from there with your permission.
license, yes, and a PDP, because you must have a PDP to transport patients. That's how our citizens are dying with this vehicle.